We're talking about plastic surgery and the pressure that people feel to get it. We know it dates way back before social media. But with all the filters available today, and you have celebrities doing it, even on our Zoom calls, people are feeling the pressure to upgrade or change their appearance.
I like that you said upgrade, yeah.
There's a little enhancement button on Zoom.
We all use it. So it
or the Paris filter on Insta.
Yes. It's like, do not share it until that filter is on there.
Yeah.
But I want to know, have you all too ever thought about surgeries or?
Absolutely.
Yeah,
yes.
Which ones and why?
Okay,
Because I thought about breast
augmentation. I
augmentation.
actually got Botox to stop grinding my teeth at night.
Oh, that's smart.
It hasn't helped yet.
It has,
but
okay.
I think you have to continue to do it like for quite some time for it to really stop, because that's a problem for me. But I'm definitely interested. I feel like, why not look your best self, and whatever you can do, those little tweaks, why not?
Yeah.
Do you feel pressure to?
I don't feel pressure to. I think maybe not as a man, I don't feel pressure to, because I kind of feel like guys are kind of like, you can age gracefully. You look better as you get older. You
Fine
know?
wine,
Exactly.
Yeah.
Zaddy.
But as women, you know, like as I'm approaching the age of 40, I definitely look in the mirror at like wrinkles when I'm laughing and smiling here and here, and I research Botox, and I'm like, when am I going to start it? Because I know I'm going to eventually. I'm not scared to. But definitely as a teenager, I wanted my breasts done so badly because I have a bigger butt, and I always felt like it was unfair. I was misproportioned.
Yeah.
And, you know, my parents were adamantly against it because when I was 17, I begged them to let me get it.
Okay, well, we know one of the most popular surgeries out there is the Brazilian butt lift, aka the BBL that people are talking about. And we actually want you to chew on this whole topic of surgery. You know, do you feel pressure to enhance your appearance, maybe through surgery, through filters, makeup, or other means? You can let us know. So far, it looks like 67% of you are saying, yes, you do. You do feel that way.
Wow.
You can vote, scan our QR code on your screen, or you can go on our website at fox5dc.com. So it's definitely a serious topic. In fact, we wanted to bring in an expert on this. Cosmetic Surgeon Dr. Ramtin Kassir joins us now live with more details. Doctor, thank you for joining us here on Lion Lunch Hour.
Thank you for having me, Marissa.
I want to start with the BBL. For those who are not familiar, what exactly is it, and what are the risks associated with the surgery?
So a BBL is the acronym is a Brazilian butt lift, and what you do is you contour fat from around the stomach, around the sides, and you add that fat to augment and fill the buttocks. The procedure is kind of trendy and has been trending for the last, I would say, 10 years. It does have a lot of risks because if the fat is not placed properly or in the muscles, you have a risk of getting what's called fat emboli and even leading to death.
Wow. Well, what are some questions then, doctor, that people should ask doctors if they are considering this surgery or any other invasive cosmetic procedure?
That's a great question. So the main things I think you need to know is your physician, surgeon board certified, and are they board certified in the procedures that you want or you need? So for example, I specifically specialize in the face, so I'm triple board certified in things that have to do with the face, and if somebody comes in for a BBL into our office, our associate who just does that will do those procedures. And for the things that we do, we probably do 15 to 20 of these procedures in a week, like facelifts, rhinoplasties, eyelid lifts, and I've done this for 26 years. So your surgeon has to have the experience and knowledge and certification in what you want them to do.
Yeah, you have to do your research, and we see our poll there changing in real time. I also want to know, though, when it comes to the surgeries, people have to be honest about what they want and also what they have going on internally. Can you talk about that and the person's responsibility in all of this?
Sure. So, you know, you really have to be honest about what it is that you want. Do you want just a breast lift, for example? Do you want to be really curvy? Do you want to fit into society standards, or are there specific things that you want to know? And by far and away, you have to be honest about your medical conditions. For example, diabetes, high blood pressure, cholesterol, any kind of surgeries that you've had in the past. How have you reacted to anesthesia? So all of these things are important for your surgeon to know. And while we as, you know, our office, our passion is making you look and feel your best, Safety is number one. So we get a variety of lab tests on you. We do EKGs, we get medical clearances. We have a host of pre and post-op instructions that we want you to follow. And we want you to take things like pineapple extract and other vitamins to get you ready. And we also want you to stop anything, for example, birth control pills, smoking, drinking, vaping, and just kind of some common sense things to be optimized prior to your procedure.
I know we talked about the BBL primarily, but men are really getting into ab etching. Tell us about that procedure.
So ab etching is a very interesting procedure. It's for designed actually to bring out the delineation of those, 6-pack or 8-pack abs. And it's really good for people who are working out and doing their best. They have a clean diet. They're really doing everything that they can, but they just can't get that fine definition. So there's actual procedures where you can go in and trace out the spaces in between your muscles and get that 6-pack.
So this isn't a tattoo. You're actually going in and taking out some stuff to create those indentations, correct?
Correct. Surgical cheating, if you will.
Wow, that's a lot. Well, before I let you go, doctor, where can people go to learn more about what you do or get some of this great information that you're giving us today?
Thank you so much. So you can go to www.drkassir.com or go to our Instagram @drkassir, and you'll learn a lot about what we do and what our expertise is. And, call us if you want us to chat with you.
Okay, Dr. Kassir, thank you so much. You should have saw the looks on the faces of people in here when I mentioned the ab etching part. I don't think a lot of people knew about that. You're definitely full of lots of information, and we appreciate your time and expertise. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely.